So let's first talk, what is a Google Business Profile? So a Google Business Profile, for those that don't know, we call GBP, is a free tool provided by Google for businesses to manage their online presence across all of Google, basically, including search and maps, in particular search and maps. Those key features are going to be, well, it displays your business name, your address, your phone number, your website, your hours of operation. It lets you and your clients upload images or videos to showcase your business or how they communicate and work with you. It allows your customers to leave your business a review that you can respond to. And those reviews can also include images or videos that your customers take. And again, when you are getting reviews, we did have a whole class on Google reviews and best practices for them. So you can always check that out in the members as well. If you are one of our all-stars already, check it out. But it allows customers to leave those reviews. You can also give you an ability to share updates, offers, events directly on your Google Business Profile. And there's a lot more things that you can also do with Google Business Profiles. Now, there are a couple different looks here. I wanted to just bring this up so you can see it. I'm going to be going back and forth from some different clients and just kind of show you things we've got. But if you're looking at desktop, this is what GBP would look like. So this is that local area with the map at the top here. And then you typically will get 3 listings. You can see your Action Air Conditioning. They are one of my clients. They show up really well. This is just for AC Repair Tampa. Over here on the right, you can also see if you are a manager or you have the rights to edit or manage the content. You can see the edit profile button. You can see reviews, messages, and so on. This is the interface that Google now has on the desktop, and you can use that to make some changes, make some edits to your profile, add products or services. Get a booking, if you're, let's say, an HVAC company, you might want someone to book some time. If you're a restaurant, you might have like a menu item, right? It says menu and lets you point to where your menu is. So depending upon the kind of business that you're in, you may see some slightly different items in your options that you see over here on the right. But typically you're going to get the profile, the reviews, the messages, the photos, the performance, the advertise. You'll most often see as well the Q&A, the calls, the add an update and ask for reviews. There's other things down below that you can also see. When